Hey everyone, AOOSTAR has just unveiled its latest high-performance storage solution, the TB4S-OC USB4+Oculink NVMe SSD enclosure. Developed to meet the needs of modern professionals and power users, this enclosure offers exceptional data transfer speeds and expanded storage capacity, making it a top choice for those looking to enhance their setups. At the heart of the TB4S-OC is the cutting-edge ASM2462PDX processor, enabling blistering transfer speeds of over 800 megabytes per second per slot across its 4 M2 slots. This advanced processor ensures that the enclosure supports PCIe 3.0 NVMe SSDs, which are backward compatible with earlier versions. Users can install up to 4 4TB SSDs, reaching an impressive 16 TB of total storage capacity. Whether you need space for large media files, software, or extensive data backups, this enclosure delivers. The TB4S-OC enclosure is developed with versatility in mind, featuring compatibility with USB4, Thunderbolt 4, and OCuLink interfaces. This makes it an excellent choice for modern laptops, compact PCs, and other devices requiring high-speed data transfer. It is important to note that this enclosure does not support older USB standards such as USB 3.0 or USB 2.0, focusing instead on the latest technology to deliver top-tier performance. Measuring just 10.7 by 10.7 by 2.9 centimeters, the TB4S-OC sports a robust aluminum alloy appearance that not only ensures durability, but also aids in effective heat dissipation. This compact form factor makes it easy to transport while maintaining high performance, perfect for users who need reliable storage on the go. The TB4S-OC comes equipped with 3 essential ports, a DC power input, an OCuLink connector, and a USB 4 port, allowing for seamless integration into your existing setup. Additionally, the enclosure includes a convenient indicator light system that provides real-time status updates. The light blinks during data transfers and turns green when a drive is successfully installed, offering straightforward and intuitive feedback. Exclusively available at Geek Wills for $179, the AOOSTAR TB4S-OC offers a premium storage solution at a competitive price. Whether you're looking to expand your storage for a compact PC or enhance your laptop's capabilities, this enclosure is a reliable choice for demanding digital environments. The AOOSTAR TB4S-OC USB4+Oculink NVMe SSD enclosure sets a new standard for high-performance, efficient storage solutions. With its cutting-edge technology, versatile connectivity, and robust appearance, it's poised to meet the needs of today's most demanding users. Whether for professional use or personal data management, this enclosure delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think about the new mini PC? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.